national team on television.
Dr. Frank here today with Gamer and Beaches. Today is a very special edition to the Worst Politically because Gamer landed his first big interview.
Yes, he's right. Let's go be a live satellite with Vice President candidate John Biden. Hello, Mr. Senator John Biden. Thank you for talking to us. First question. Have you ever kissed Barack Obama on the mouth?
Are you joking? Is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke.
Is that a real question?
I think so. Yes.
It's a ridiculous question with all due respect.
Are you feeling all sexy right now?
No, I'm not at all. I don't know who's writing your question.
She. Ask him if he wants to do it. Mr. Senator John Biden, would you like to make sex to Beatrice?
Absolutely not.
You, Joe Biden.
Oh, Gamer, thank you. Very good interview.
I thought it was fun.